Welcome to 5 in 55 Cooking Ideas, your friendly place for simple and delicious recipes from around the world. Today I will show you how to make a classic Spanish paella, step by step. Paella is a famous Spanish rice dish known for its color and flavor. Paella is made with rice, vegetables, spices, and protein. Use short grain rice for the best paella texture. Finely chop one onion, chop a few cloves of garlic. Slice red and green peppers for color. Chop fresh tomatoes or use canned tomatoes. You can make paella with chicken, seafood, or vegetables. Heat olive oil in a wide pan. Let the oil warm but not smoke. Add the onions and cook gently. Cook until soft and lightly golden. Add the garlic and stir gently. Add the sliced peppers, cook until vegetables soften. Add the tomatoes and mix well. Let the mixture cook until slightly thick. Add paprika for warmth and color. Add saffron or turmeric for the classic yellow color. Add salt to balance the flavors. Add the rice and stir gently. Make sure the rice is well coated. Add warm stock slowly into the pan. The rice should be just covered. Add chicken or seafood evenly on top. Do not stir the rice after this point. Let the paella simmer gently. Slow cooking builds flavor. Add peas or green beans. The rice slowly absorbs the stock. A crispy bottom called socarrat is traditional. The rice should be tender but not mushy. Let excess moisture cook off. Turn off the heat and let it rest. Lemon adds freshness to paella. Garnish with parsley if you like. Serve paella directly from the pan. Look at the colorful rice and toppings. Seafood paella is especially popular. Chicken paella is comforting and filling. Vegetable paella is light and delicious. Paella is perfect for sharing. Serve gently to keep rice intact.